Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some goodies that I made using the Oh Happy Day collection from Echo Park Cartabella. So this is part of their Echo Park Club that is released every quarter. Just some tiny embellishments and some big embellishments that I made. I thought it was cute contrast. So some paper clips, just the regular stuff. I wanted to just play with it when I got it. I didn't do a video, but I just wanted to share with you guys just in case you might be inspired to use your scrap stash today. I love seeing the craft community's videos. I am so inspired by the crafters and I want to give back. So I want to inspire people too to use their scrap stash, especially now. We need something to inspire us, and we need something to take our minds off of what's going on. So here we go. Let's get some spring colors. Let's play with our stuff. I know this is still available in the Echo Park website, and I know they just recently had a sale, so check out their sales. I hope it's still available. They also have washi tape, stamps, a lot more products that has that's with this collection. So this one I use a washi tape to make paper flag, and my usual punch flowers with a flat back center that I love doing. I am so inclined to making these tiny paper clips because you can use them anywhere. And then these are just some cut apart flowers. You know me, I love to fussy cut, and I thought that would be the cutest DIY embellishment or die cut that you can add to anywhere and use for anything. So just some punched hearts, and a punch flower. Look how simple that is. Just a fussy cut flower with a sentiment, and that's it. It's ready to go for you. You can use it to decorate anything actually. So here's some more cuties and goodies. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. So now guys, we're gonna be use the Sizzix die that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna try to link it down below if it's still available. But this is what I used to make these, and it is inspired by Liz Russell. I also used the cut apart. I just fussy cut these flowers to put on top of the coffee cups. And again, this is inspired by Liz Russell. I'm going to put her link her video down below, but she inspired me to create these coffee cups. They are so absolutely gorgeous, and I thought this would be perfect to put on anything, on top of a gift bag or a card. I think a sentiment always finishes an embellishment for me, so I want to put a small embellishment to finish this off. So here's Hello Lovely, and I think that absolutely finishes it off. It's so cute. You can put this anywhere. You can put it on top of a card. You can put it on a memory decks card. You can use it and decorate a bag topper. You can decorate a scrapbook layout using this. You can use it for anything, and the size is so big. I've been making mini tiny things, and now this is huge. It's such a big coffee cup as an embellishment. So it's humongous. It just fits in the palm of your hand. It's probably a good 3 inches, 3 to 4 inches big. It's so cute. So I'm going to show you. I'm trying to find a sentiment that's going to fit this one. But I thought I had to copy the one on in the packaging. Like it was on top of each other. That was so cute too. Here's another variation. So cute, so simple. I just inserted it right there. I love them. They're so beautiful. And I think this would be a great gift for a friend. You know, like a crafty friend. Just send her a boatload of these. And I'm sure he or she will be able to use this for something. This is my favorite. I think the flowers and the lavender tiny little flower on the side is so beautiful. And then it has sentiment, so it's finished. This I couldn't stop myself. I had to put a punch flower with a flat back center. But I promise that was the only one. This is a plain one. I didn't do anything with it. I thought the cup spoke for itself. So I'm gonna put a saucer. I think this would be a cup that a queen would use. It's so fancy. And the shape is super fancy too. So cute. This is pretty too. Beautiful flowers, beautiful design. So here we have some huge coffee cups that you can use as an embellishment for any crafting project from the Oh Happy Day collection, Cartabella Echo Park. And so this is again the Sizzix. This is from Tim Holtz, a Biggs die. I hope you had a wonderful time. I hope you consider subscribing. Take care, you guys. Please stay safe. Bye.